Another beautiful, beautiful Monday afternoon. With a straight salute, give all of una way there with the standard chin for our backlad, the Rock of Gibraltar. Even those of una way they follow us on top Twitter, we they appreciate all of una. How una day this afternoon? Hope say every day go well for you. I know say na Monday, and then the hustle continues, but I hope say you they hustle well. Welcome once more on Top Talk, and where we they talk the talk and the yarn. If you just a busting and you they wonder what the talk they all about, Talk na talk show where we they bring out things them where they happen for inside Obodo Naija. Even things where they happen for Obodo abroad, we go put them on top table, and all of us go do it in. Chook mouth inside them. We they always get celebrity guests where they join us inside the studio, plus including game where you go enjoy well. And Cocoa of the Day, our Cocoa of the Day, they always make waves on top Twitter. Make una continue to follow us so at Talk Wazobia. Today a very beautiful day because of the way we did very generous to our society. We decided to send Queen B, may she go third mainland, may she go sweep them. Because we need to keep the environment clean. We need to keep the environment clean. So, you see now, your Talk ladies, we are very, we serve the society. Yes. And we'll continue to serve the society. Yeah, and Queen B is doing it well.
Very well.
Queen B.
She said she don't almost reach half of the bridge.
But I don't like as now they lie on top of this matter. See, people wait their house.
No, not be lie.
Wait, make I talk.
Before Betyana talk,
Queen B not buying my
Wait now, make I land first. Make I land. All right, before Betyana open her mouth, talk plenty to say, carry. Today, they're very wonderful because we get person where they talk the talk. Person where once she talk, you must to listen.
Yes,
because better wisdom they come up from her mouth. Better one. She na actor. She na voiceover artist. She na producer. On top of that one, she na food blogger. We no carry food can give us inside the studio.
I wonder.
Judith! How do? Judith,
I cack for grand. As I soon as like this, and fear can they cash me. I'm not even threatened because they don't inform me, you know? They don't inform me and I find girls that they can't see. But I arrange when now.
You alone, so only you one is gone.
No, when I see say na three of na day like this, you get her for take arrange the arrangement. So if I sit down, the camera will just face only me. You go forget say on a day studio.
One thing what you need to know be say me and you are sisters. I grew up for Auchi. I actually grew up for Auchi, so we are sisters. We are sisters.
Thank you for bringing me inside this show.
Yeah.
I don't already say we go have fun.
Yes.
So my people then when they watch, make na not go anywhere because I not just say any show we go sweet past this one. Any station right now.
Tell them.
So make una just stay with us.
Preach
it.
You know what, she don't tell you everything. And we'd always tell you every day from 2 p.m. waka go reach 3 o'clock. Say now we be the show where they give you the best entertainment. Now you don't say Judith, how don't come outside talk say this show now the show where you need to gum your eye, gum your ear, and make you put them on top. Wazobia TV start times 195. All right, make we dig into our talk of the day. All right, this one concerns Desmond Elliot. I won't correct Desmond Elliot. He not come outside talk about politics, so and he don't agree. Say plenty actors and plenty actresses that they enter politics because of waiting, because of money. He talk and I quote. He say yes, I know say money there for inside politics, so, but you don't ask yourself one question. Now sand you take they use to play politics. He can't answer. Say the answer is no. What you they play with politics and now money. Money, now you're supposed to use tape and play with politics. But you can't talk, say, I'm not there into government just because of the money. But I there into government to look for how I go make use of our resources so we get from inside Nigeria, provide betterment for the people. Ladies, when I agree with it, Desmond Elliot talk.
But I'm not sure saying talk anything way wrong. The way they start the matter before, I saying to say I they go inside politics to go make money. You know, when you can't quote waiting in talk, I don't see anything wrong in waiting in talk because as we know, everybody gets different reasons why they do waiting they do. Some people they go there because of money. Some people they go there because they want make impact. They want help people for our society. And him don't talk and saying they go there not be because of just the money, but also to go find how to take use our resources, take do something. So me not see anything wrong in waiting in talk.
No, but of course, the same thing. You know, say, I don't always talk and say, if you want to go into politics, now money, then they take fine money.
Exactly.
Nobody say, you know, chop money, but if they chop the money, make you work.
Yeah, of course.
When you work, nobody go even they say you they chop money or you go do anything. They go just say the man they work. Nobody go say the man they chop money. They're not going to even see the money where you they chop. So kudos, that's Monella to see and talk. You talk and well.
Not true, but you know, I don't understand why you not even bring this thing up because no will talk true. Which person never enters to talk the same thing? I want to make a difference. I want to make a difference. Now the same difference
Until they reach
until they reach there.
But this one actually, well, the one where I remember, the first person who don't come out talk say yes. The money we go chop on, but the work I go still do on. Most of them they claim say it's not about the money. I want to serve my nation. I lie.
Maybe see as they go now. We go see whether there's more Elliot go see fulfill waiting. They don't talk now. Say we want use our resources do something. Maybe this
not be lie she talk, Sha. You know, say this political matter. Now so it be everywhere.
Especially
when they campaign, they go
they must find
go
everything.
Here, talk, go there. You know, promise you they go take over moon. Can't give you for your domot. So now when they reach there, now we go see. Waiting exactly they go feed you, but of course before they go reach there now we go still need to, you know, vote them.
Of course.
In.
Because the ones where you tell you said they know they repeat class for school where they say when they can't reach that class, they can't say I want die put for this class.
So we go see electronic bridge.
You know what? For me, I remember first when I hear say all these our actors and actresses they go into politics. I was like, for waiting now, waiting consign acting, consign politics. But along the line, I just gas give in to them. Say, okay, make we see whether now them go be the change where we they expect for inside Nigeria.
But waiting no consign actors, consign acting. It always amazes me when people talk that thing. When some people ask me, oh, what do you see all these actors we want all of them won't contest now? What do you say they won't go do? Themselves be part of citizen like you for this country. Them get right to vote and be voted for.
Of course.
True.
So there is nothing wrong if them wake up, say, okay, enough is enough. Make we self go see if we go fit do this change we want.
Yeah.
So me not see anything where they wrong in her. It go become wrong thing if they reach there.
And they're not
functioning.
and they're not functioning.
Exactly. So for now, I don't see any reason why people they say waiting consign actor consign.
Yeah, now which I want to talk. I say at first I felt they feel that way, but later on I can't just think about everything. Can't discover say, come, give them chance to prove, give them chance to take over that position. Make we see what they fit deliver. Now if they not deliver well,
then we go get
get But if they deliver well, kudos
thumbs up
to all of them. All right, make we just dig into our second topic. Talk of the day, waiting day hot, and this one concerns our beautiful Omoni Oboli. People they tell me say I resemble her in a way. I think so. You know, Shebi, see, an actress is confirming it.
I be never talk anything. You never know what I want to talk.
Wow.
So I see
You just carry the word you shook up.
I don't took us our mouth.
This one now, she just they try farms, you know.
Yeah.
So that when you see on Vero, she go say, I look like Omoni Oboli.
Why are you fancying it?
No, I look like Uvbi, but I know some people always tell me say you look like Omoni Oboli. Yes. Okay, the Nollywood actress and producer, writer and director Omoni Oboli, she don't come outside the advise actors and even fans say, una need to get better education on top how una go take the kiss for inside the movie. Because me, as I did here so, my husband, they understand when I kiss lips to lips.
Correct.
You get one thing where she talk where I really like. You can't explain, say, it get different ways where you need to kiss. So. He said kiss can be done lips to lips without, say, the tongue come out. And it go look like, say, now the best kiss where you don't ever get in the world. I don't really need to talk. What do I say about this matter? About kissing.
Kissing things.
I want you don't turn kiss expert on top Nollywood things.
But well, true, as an actor, and I'm not just an actor, I be married actor too. If you get kissing role, true, get some kind of kiss where you go kiss with. It's not even the sweet to watch. You know, but as a professional actor, your responsibility, your only responsibility, now to make that role where they act, they believable. So that when I watch them, I go say, these people, they don't marry since, so they love themselves, to make them look believable. But get how you go make something look real. where you know they real. You know, you get how I go take slapper now, where you go be like, say, I slapper, but I'm no slapper. My hand go touch her more, and you go sang bam, but, you know, you go choreograph the thing. That's what kissing to be. You get how you go take kiss somebody, where it go look so nice, and they go believe, say, na they kiss.
Kiss of life.
You know that kind of thing.
But you can't actually explain how, because
nice she don't explain. So again, if you take French kiss, where you go look nice, not be you can't they bring tongue out there.
Yeah. But I want to ask you one question. On top of this,
it actually look disgusting.
You know, say it gets who then go pair you with when you do one role. When you say the chemistry go they crazy.
Yes.
When you know go feel explain. Because she they talk here say her husband they understand when she gets to do them. Because I know say a lot of men when they don't marry, it they very hard, especially if their wife now actress. Make them accept the fact that she they kiss different men. So no, this no be one, no be two. Any role where they give you be say it involve kissing, you go guys do them. So if they pair you with a person where be say the chemistry even past one way you get with your husband, which kind of understanding the man won't get.
Very tough.
See, first of all, if you they act every role, every romantic role, will be romantic role, the chemistry is supposed to look like say they're very good on screen. However, regardless, it's supposed to look good. If you don't look good, you get one film, I'm not going to call the names of the actors. It they very obvious say their chemistry no flow. And because of that, in that film, no sell. And a very good film. Two very A-list actors, but it just shows, say, waiting this will they do, look so fake. That one no good. So anyhow, any scripts where you get, your husband, first of all, needs to be very understanding. Because he needs to know say now your job is this. Not be everybody they accept those kind of roles. Some people know they accept romantic roles because they know say they no fit handle them. So they know they accept them. But if you know say you fit handle them, then you go accept them. Because truly, nothing there inside. You feel the kiss
nothing there inside to kiss.
No,
but you know it's
now your job.
Okay, so they can't carry person now.
Now you see, you
mouth
like
no, wait.
Why you enter don't even go there. Why did they pair you with person where you not just like at all? You not even like the physique, you not even like the person at all. But you need to give this person one kind
correct kiss.
Maybe say if you see the person go they irritate you.
As in the sight alone.
See, me and you fi fight now. We fi quarrel, serious quarrel now. Next time, we suppose they're on set together as best friends. I'm not going to say because of say I need to talk to you for real life. I'm not going to come act well. That one don't already, it don't make you rule out that professionalism. It means you're not a professional. Okay? For waiting you they do. When you be professional, even if you fight with that person, even if you not quarrel now, if director say action, you could just change. Just, you know? Like that. You could just start like that. That mouth to the way, so that's another matter now.
But what if? What if?
You go give her chewing gum now. You go help yourself.
Well, on a personal level.
No, that was because that is a no go. Thank God, say I always cast and rebuke when I get school like that.
On a personal level, if I be Omani or Bolly husband, I know things say get any understand where me want understand because I know. Come people, this is Nigeria. I mean, which can understand if I want to understand when my wife go to kiss not one, not two, not three.
Now her job now.
Now
waiting you
exactly.
But I respect the man saying you understand though.
Yes.
Like tap into that understanding.
So you're supposed to respect me too because if Tobisa be man self, I go understand.
Understand what it is?
Yes, understand. See, my wife now actress, and she gonna see many better roles. We're gonna bring in the kishi, and she don't get choice. That's not act time.
So sometimes it's very easy for us to see that.
Until you day in that position.
I prophesy celebrity marriage into your life.
Until you day into that
So
position.
that when your man don't they go on different tour, where you they see him with girl, you know how far.
My husband go understand. You know go to pass himself.
But the bottom line for me be say, he know the kind thing where your wife they do even before you marry her.
And he respects her.
And he respects her for it. I like the fact that she come outside say you get different kinds of kissing, you get the one where you go be like say, now just lips and lips now that they do, but you were there out there where they watch and go to say a French kiss, deep one and everything. But in all, you need to understand the kind of job where your partner they do.
Yes.
Know whether you go keep up with them. For years now, they don't keep up with them. So, not a problem at all.
At all.
Not a problem. Abby?
At all.
Not a problem. All right, we still get plenty more for you on Top Talk today. Not go anywhere because after this break, plenty gist today. Plenty. understand what just happened now. You're not going to understand.
No worry.
You're not going to understand.
They don't even need
No,
to
they don't
understand.
understand.
Yeah.
No, we just go.
You know, not really need to
No, just
understand. Sorry, for the first time, I'm not going to tell now. You know, I always tell them now, but for the first time,
And we need to hold up. We need to hold this one.
But really, Judith, how you did really? How every for you, your acting career?
We thank God. Like, I just get one new gig on radio now. Yes, so, yes.
It's an enter like that.
Oh, yeah, it sweets me well because I like my voice.
Okay.
Most people, they like different things about their body. Me and my voice, I like to listen to myself. So I don't always want to get something on radio. So recently, I just get something on iGrove Radio. And this one now online radio. So it means that people, they listen to Ram all around the world at the same time. So that one sweets me well for Bele. Because I get 2 blogs. I get one where they talk about food. And then that one I be playing with recipes. And then I get another one where they profile actors. And they talk about actors, so people will get to know their actors well, especially the strong upcoming ones. We don't do plenty things people don't really know about. So now the radio show, now I take one of the segments from the blog, meet the actor. So now they do every time, meet the actor with Judith Audu. Now my new gig be that. So it just so sweet.
All right, we get the time where we go talk with you deep. So
We'll
just keep all the turkeys inside the cupboard.
Yes,
Just keep them.
We'll open the cooler later.
Okay, now to talk, you stay there on top of Wazobia TV, channel 195. Not forget that you fit put mouth on top every where we discuss today, Monday afternoon, on top talk. Enter Twitter, Amaka.
I just smile.
All right, enter Twitter at Wazobia and go yarn your own for there. Tell us how you enjoy our program and tell us within the total you pass on top our program and also put mouth on top everything where we discuss today. The next time we're going to talk about on top waiting day hot, this one consign our confirmed better present, former Minister of Education, Uvbi Ezekwesili.
Mama.
Yes, our mama. Now, she don't come outside talk, say, the time where she be minister, say she not fit pay her mother house rent. She talk and I quote, he say, it don't get times where I not fit pay my mama rent. Not because say I not fit make choice and build a mansion. He say, when I did inside government, we had to withdraw our 3 children from their school to Baptist special school. He say she just the answer big title, but they make sure say she not the chop government money. Ladies and gentlemen, integrity or mago, money, choose one and give me your choice.
Integrity now.
Integrity now.
We can't question. How you go tell me, say, okay, look, you give me integrity, give me mago. Every normal person go choose integrity.
Okay.
I not go want choose mago. Okay, and forget say I talk normal person. Some people could definitely want to take mago. But me, integrity. I go like keep my name now. Even if I see the, okay, as per, let's say I be Uvbi Ezekwesili, our madam, the money they everywhere. It dey my bank account, it dey where I fit chook hand. But I know say it no go make sense if I just chook hand, use them. I go just quietly maintain where I did.
So you actually believe what she talk?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, she do well, but I don't understand that part. She because she no fit pay her mama house rent. Now need that part where I know.
And I mean say waiting that they pay them no days.
No reach.
No reach the position where they occupy.
Well,
because if you look if really then they pay them, except say the mama don't already day mansion, where you say you don't too much. But if she did normal like kajad every day this thing, she supposed to pay with waiting government.
Yeah, she's supposed to pay
because the money they pay them for the government, it be not small like that now. Unless the thing where they year different from
waiting
they actually pay
but
them.
you know, saying a minister should be even presidency. They know they to earn that much in a year. They know they to earn that much. So remember the time when she did. Yeah, remember the time when she did.
Because the one where we hear is different from this. They know they.
No, then they get allowance.
So wait,
like if you get bed allowance, if you get cooking allowance,
and that bed allowance
you want them
to their own 1 year salary.
Pay her mama house rent.
So that means you don't believe her then.
No. I said that part. I don't understand.
We know really. We know. We wish if you explain this thing herself because the matter tough.
Okay.
You know, because before you go remove your mama for house, come remove your children from school.
Again. It comes like say you know even they
You
work.
know they work. You know can't get money.
No, she not removed that from school. She removed that from the
changed
school.
it.
Where they
She
did
Now you
Now
know
the
say
same thing now.
you remove them
Remove them
from
from school.
better school. Come go.
Person go expect say if you don't be minister, and at that time they will go even go
Change to higher
better
school,
private
eh.
school self, join as the
But this does not mean say she keep her integrity as
I
in
think-
she keep them well.
I think waiting they try make people see. Be say like you talk, say she no chop money.
Yes.
That is why things come be like this. But me, I'm confused. No, because how it come bad like that? We be say you no come fit pay house rent. Even if you no chop money, they pay salary now. Now so the salary bad reach. Even if now 100,000 in a month.
How much be the
house rent.
Yeah,
go
that
get,
one
you know?
another question. How much be the house rent?
because
Like she talk, maybe na
as for
mansion,
me,
maybe na that
as
house
for
where they
me,
pay like
She said she
like
want
20
build.
million.
She said you know mean say she no fit comot her mama go build mansion. Oh.
but
talk
she
that
just
part.
decide
But she just
not
decide.
to,
Oh.
on top the integrity level. But I believe say if you get integrity and people they see say because to their minister position now how many years? It probably not be 1 year, not be 2 years. So if you don't get that integrity for that number of years where you take serve, people where they're around you suppose don't see say you get integrity and they no need to bring mago money come your way. Person will just bless you on top say I dey respect this woman oh I like her she take carry herself she no chop government money mama alpha carry this one go.
Yeah, for me, I actually respect her. I respect her
No, she be
very
person
much.
with-
Now,
with
person
person
way
with
you supposed to
respect
respect
for-
as
Of
a
course,
woman.
of course.
I respect her, and also for her to come outside talk this kind of thing, say even when she be minister, say she not fit afford to pay her mama house rent. It not mean say she not pay him, but she be not fit afford to pay him. Remember one time we be say she want go school for Yankee, then even our own OBJ gas donate money, give her money like $10,000 something like that, make she go school. So I like her integrity. I like the fact that she dey come outside openly to talk, say, I not steal 1 naira from government money when I
So
do.
that people then we won't come inside, go learn, and also hopefully try to live up and maintain this kind of integrity.
Which you don't put.
Yes, which you don't already put for there, so that when they go there, they no go there, say, as they go there now,
Now money
oh, bye-bye to poverty. You know, so as they enter that house, they go just they carry all the Ghana
grab
must
everything.
go.
I'm telling you,
just
they
they
give their
carry
family
all the
member.
money. Exactly. Everybody don't get brand new house. Everybody go carry out their relation. So I hope people go learn from this kind of thing to know say your name now your name.
Yes.
Name
You
na
know?
gold,
So
you
when
can buy am
person
anywhere.
they talk about you, they go say, the time with this person they day. Now like this thing
Yes.
day. Everything they like this cack well, everything, you know. Hopefully.
But I just have this question, I just chip in. If your brother be minister and then you they suffer to pay house rent, you go happy?
Oh well, people.
I just yes, no.
I know you happy,
it not be. You go
I
feel
feel
you go feel
understand.
bad because you go feel say technically human nature.
Yeah.
You go feel say now my brother and I be this person. And people, of course, society again go
help you.
influence you. So even if you understand, say, no, my brother get integrity, he need to follow the due process.
Yes.
People like your friends go say, your brother and I did there and see you, they
Now they
suffer.
Sure say na your brother.
Now
You
they
know,
suffer.
that kind
No
of
be the
thing.
same mama, oh.
So people they go outside, go they talk different things. So now those societal pressure, now they affect most of all these people where we go see, where go down campaign, say they won't go do bonge things. Then when they reach there, all this pressure from left, right,
They go
center,
change by force.
go come push them to provoke them to do something with themselves. No feel say they go want to.
Sure.
All right. All right, you don't hear her from Obi Ezekwesili. We go enter inside Nicki Minaj. Our Nicki Minaj, heavily endowed. with The anaconda.
So it's that.
Anaconda.
I will get there.
One day, next life.
I will get.
No, we
Why
don't
you dey look me? I
understand.
don't understand. I
get
thought
that
that
they
una
very,
look
very
me.
easy.
Ataya.
You understand?
Why
All you
you
need
dey
to do
look
to
me?
get the money and then go under the knife and you're dead. Simple.
I don't go under knife.
No,
but I will
she
get
no
some.
go. She just leaves some for house.
Oh, thank you, my darling.
they know they see am.
They know they see am.
They're not there in spirit.
Betyana.
That's why I give her space now because
You know, when they
Wetin I wan talk? Tell
I
am
won't
before
ever get
now.
any time where Amaka no go shake person say, thank you, my darling.
Thank you, Amaka be like beauty
they
queen wey dey do like
understand
this
me.
I
all the time.
understand. I feel her spirit.
Yes. Now, wow.
You know, fix
All
them.
this,
Because
it's a house.
Okay, that way
Yes.
they dey sell for Lagos Island.
Thank you. All right, so Nicki Minaj, we don't she don't come aside for inside a new song. Don't start to the rant, don't start to the verse on top her ex. Talk say her ex use her for a connection, and then he could let her down. Now she talks say anyone who where they don't let down by someone where they love and you trust, you say you could definitely, according to the reports what we get, they say anyone where don't get heartbreak, you could definitely relate to this new track where our own correct person Nicki Minaj don't sonch give us. This one can make me bring and come talk today. Come ask say, you don't ever get any heartbreak where you get till today you still remember them?
Ooh, Uvbi, you get the one where I don't forget for my life. Actually, the person, a very known person.
Are you serious?
But I'm not going to mention the person name. But I remember that year where we say everything still they go smoothly. And the person gets some kind of bad habits where we say they try to change them. All these drinking things, smoking things. I can't tell them, I say, this way they do is no good for your lifestyle. Say, you know, be small picking again. You don't grow and every. Now, in first pump, tell me, say, okay, I don't hear, I go walk on them. Now, 1 week passed, 2 weeks passed. Now, my guy call me, say, how far? Say, many things don't happen. Around that period, in the morning, in Papa and in Grandma, so it did very tough and tight for him. Now, he come tell me, say, baby, say, I appreciate you so much, but I won't let you know, say, as you don't preach, give me sense. I don't finally give my life to Christ. And the only relationship where I one day in, that relationship with Christ.
Yeah.
I tell you, say, that thing until tomorrow, it's still a ring from my head because I can't look myself, say, I can't be the devil for inside this relationship because I don't understand. Me, I no drink, I no smoke. But I just believe, saying a very cheap way out of waiting they happen. And I don't know. But it did very, very childish.
And you still remember until now?
I remember until tomorrow because sometimes I go just sit down and say, oh, man, wow. So now me they come to a devil like this.
All right, our own personal person will join us today.
Yeah. I really don't know. People they always say they're strange anytime I talk about them because I never really get any heartbreak.
You know, Uchi babe now.
Yeah, we know they give them that chance. When I see say matter don't they get leg, I go gently dust my slippers.
Waka.
Before the matter becomes something else because I think I dey move on fast when something happen. So I don't get that kind of thing where, and all my exes, basically, I don't really get any ex where I get issues with. Actually, all my exes are my very good friends.
Okay.
Because none of them where I really, we all the dissolve what we dissolve now, mutual kind of dissolve. Where we by ourselves say, matter need to move. This thing not go move to a permanent site, so we leave. You know, so we go both just gingerly leave the matter as the matter day. Waka go our own and we go remain very good friends. If you get business where I want my investing, you want my we still be friends, all of them, we still they hang out, they come my house, me, my husband and stuff. So
are you serious?
I don't because they're all my friends, they're all very good friends.
And your husband actually accepts.
Your husband knows that your ex is
your exes them be and
I don't get that kind I would say I get blessed with the kind man we God give me.
Wow.
You know, my very first CV that time when I done one of my ex do and I go carry my laptop, say I'm going to my ex's house. Go stay do
and he go allow you?
Because
how?
See, for relationship, if your partner no trust you.
Okay. Yes, true.
Of course, if your partner no trust you, first of all, and if your partner no gets that that's waiting me that word, if he no fit free you, if he they choke you, things it not go last.
Not true.
Because if he call you 1 minute, your phone ring, you no pick up. 2 minutes, your phone ring, you go say, hey, you don't deal with man. So I know God bless me with man where understand me, where no say I know be like that. So I don't get that kind of heartbreak where
it'll make you think till now.
Go nah. As they waka.
Simple.
As that door they close.
Another one they open.
It don't close.
Yeah, I never true, I never get to.
Amaka.
I don't say when I argue that I never get the way I still today I still think I never be in relationship now. I never get.
Now
I still they think I never get. You know something when I talk, I still they think I say okay, I don't get the one who go pay me. Say I don't break up with this guy. I break up. For my entire life, now only 3 relationships I don't get.
Okay.
So I never see the one way. I never see the one who go make me say, hey, it to say I know. That's as you don't now, still they think and say, hey, Just I know.
No. I don't mean say you go to cry.
Not be
Just
crying.
say,
You go just
But
say
just
remember.
and if it's something where go really pain you, all those kind one where you go come they go to chop, come they go they do chocolates, come they go get one music where you go they cry.
Nothing.
Oh yeah, you tell us your own. The way like say you get go get one way you
I
want
just say you get because you do they attack me.
And now
For
like
me,
say
for me, which one I don't? Okay,
Oh, you gotta
yes.
think of.
I don't actually. I don't know.
You
Say
see
the
the
person
thinker.
they cheat on me.
We know editor.
This one they think of like this.
I want to summarize them.
they rewrite the script for
I
her
want to
head.
summarize them.
Okay.
As in, I don't know. Say they cheat on me, and then later I can't find out say they cheat on me. As in, I catch them together, say they cheat on me, and then we break up today. The following day, they post the girl's picture on Facebook and everything. So that one really pained me because it just make me feel say, come, you know, girls get value at all.
I did tell you.
I
You know even wait.
Nah,
You
just
don't
they
even
go.
wait.
You don't wait.
He posted, oh, my wife, my this thing, my that. So
Wife level.
as in the thing mad. But I really happy say, it not reached 3 months, the girl show and pepper. Yeah, I get show and pepper.
That one goes sweet.
That was sweet.
All right, so now to talk. Now you there on top Wazobia TV, channel 195 for start times. And don't forget, if you follow us on top Twitter, at Talk Wazobia. Go tell us the heartbreak where you don't get, where you say now you see they think of them and the thing they give you one kind, maybe good feeling or bad feeling. Put them on top Twitter at Talk Wazobia.
Wazobia.
Right about now, we're going to need to give you our video of the day. Will they come back?
So, what did you do wrong?
Nothing.
You didn't do anything wrong?
No. I did everything right in my room.
Really?
Daddy parked me in my room because he was mad. And I parked Daddy and he was crying. And then it was in timeout. And then he wasn't going anywhere. I was going to my work. It had flowers on it. It had cake on it. It had strawberries on it. Like that. I had to take everything right.
Tiffany,
This.
I'm looking at the hat. So, I don't see that donut. Tiffany, open your hand. There's a donut, right?
There.
Yeah. And where was it supposed to be?
In the donut thing.
Yeah, in that container.
And someone didn't put it in there.
No, it was in there. Somebody took it out.
Yeah.
Who?
It was Daddy.
Really?
Yeah. He took it out.
But Daddy's not here.
No, Miles took it out.
Miles was in here with Mommy.
No, he's not.
He was in here.
But he wasn't.
Now, should you get in trouble for that?
No.
You shouldn't? What should happen?
No. Nothing.
You were disobedient.
Because I'm not going to love you any second.
You're not going to love me any seconds? That's okay. You don't have to love Mommy, but you do have to be obedient. Look at me. Look at Mommy. Now, just because you're disobedient, you don't get any more sweets all day. Okay?
Okay.
Now, I need you to go pick those pieces up and go put them in the trash can because they've been all over the floor now. And put the hat in the laundry room, please, because now it has glaze.
No, really, this woman get patience. So. She get patience like that, mama.
But you know, say, I always admire Oyibo people on top of this thing because not be every time you need to flog your pikin.
Yeah.
She sit down, she get the patience, she follow the pikin talk, and you go see the remorse and everything for on top the pikin face. The pikin don't calm down, don't know say this thing what I do, it dey wrong, and mama go punish me for am, but no be until flogging level.
Yeah. That's why I actually thought that she get patience.
Yeah, I think sometimes down here, now where we they get them wrong sometimes. Okay. Because to they beat Pekin, they actually correct the Pekin.
At all.
What thing will happen be say the Pekin go they used to that beating. So when the Pekin commits crime, the Pekin go book by himself, or even go bring the king. So yeah, beats me. So you know go change the Pekin or make the Pekin any difference. Where I grew up that time, I get one girl away. If she do something wrong, they go bye by her. She can't go by herself, bad Gurimakba.
For real?
She go by herself, bad Gurimakba. So what thing I want to do me? You know, so nothing be like make you talk to your pikin if the pikin do something wrong. Like where I grew up, my papa, he no ever raise hand on any of us one day. If we do something we no good, you know what he go do? Like 3 a.m., 2 a.m., go wake us up from sleep. Go sit down. Go talk to you. This thing what you do now, good. How you want to make, if you grow for future, this is, it go give you reasons why you're not supposed to do that thing where you do. And it go sink inside your head. But if not beating, you go cry, you go finish. So I think, I know shots, not be saying make you sometimes, but it's not, don't make it a habit to always they beat your pikin. Talk to them and let them know why waiting they do the wrong and why they're not supposed to do them again.
Yeah, I totally agree with what you just talk. So yeah, they're not supposed to flog pikin so much. Because even I know say for some schools, they don't make sure say they know they flog pikin. For some schools, maybe no flog. If you flog pikin, now the teacher will get into trouble. But with this all I see so, this pikin where I see so, I get that kind of pikin where I go beat them. I go beat them. What be that? You don't say that scope the pikin they use on that scope.
Of course.
You chop donuts. They say she's called a lie on top.
Na pikin.
Who take donuts? Daddy. No. Then, when I say don't be daddy, she gonna say, they say daddy went out. Okay, you can't call another person's name.
Now,
you see they lie on top, say they catch you.
No.
Not be say she don't even reach 5 years old. Though. That pikin no reach pikin.
Amaka, the thing about him, pikin go always be pikin.
Yeah.
The pikin already know, say the people name which they mention, they no fit get into trouble for that kind of thing where they accuse.
That's why they call
Now why should they call their name?
Yeah.
And he go show you say the pikin they're very, very smart. And especially like me, I don't know, I always they very soft-hearted for cute children. If I get pikin like that, to flog and go hard me.
One thing I think say parents need to understand be say when you see pikin where they lie, now because say pikin they fear you. Like you get one of my friends, Chika, she tell me say a pikin, you get one time where she noticed say pikin they lie. So when the pikin lie one day, she beat the pikin. After she don't beat the pikin, she can't call and sit her down say, why you lie to me? Because say she can't discover say now because say pikin they fear her and whatever. Now she tell the pikin say, don't be afraid of me. Always come out and tell me if now you do and tell me say now you do. The more you lie to me, the more I go keep on they beat you. Yes. But for now, speaking not the lie again. Now just fear they make most pickings they lie, and they just get this mentality say if I lie, mommy, if I say the truth, mommy will beat me. So now beating and be the final result. I remember then, like say that thing that happened to Edo people a lot, as in well, the babbing of air. My mom see then, a kind of beating. Now she go sit you down like this, put you for center here, they start to barb your hair.
Yeah.
After she don't barb your hair, then she go come beat you on top.
By 2 a.m.
No, my mom see you, she go beat you then, but my pop see you now by 2 a.m. Now they go wake you up. Oh yeah, wake up for your beating. But really, make you take them easy with the beating. I don't feel say, to beat Pekin like that much. Nah,
the ultimate.
Nah, the ultimate. Nah, the ultimate. Even my sister. See, everything gets your own advantage and disadvantage. Say some schools now know they beat Pekin. If you beat Pekin, parents go actually sue you. My sister go meet at my Pekin teacher. Say, come, I want you to beat her. If she do something bad, beat her, because she can't discover. Say, if I do anything bad, my auntie will not beat me. So she's like, hey, your auntie will not beat you. So she can't compare her auntie with her mommy. Why did if I do something bad, you beat me? But if I do something bad, my auntie in school does not beat me. And she say, they must beat you. They must start beating me. But we really need to take them easy. We just really need to take them easy. Okay, we just need to take a small break. When we come back, interview proper. Now we will get with our own very Judith Audu.
Yes.
Actor, food blogger, producer, voiceover artist, everything. Now she carry take joint body with the comeback.
Yes, my people, we don't come back, and I don't already know the guest that we get, and a very, very important personality where we say she be master of all for waiting she did do. She be food blogger, she be actor, and she be producer. Judith Audu, don't they sleep on my side for corner here. Judith, how far?
I do.
Yes, you don't there with us from beginning, and you don't they tell us everything what you they do now. You been they tell us say you don't get new gig on top radio. We know say you don't already they married. We know plenty things about you already. But now I want to find out, say this food blogging, because I know personally say food blogging not really too common for Nigeria where we live. What's inspire you to go into that food blogging? Because I don't already see one video of you where you be say you be judged for one food show, and I did tell you now waiting really inspire me. Say this woman, she must come on our show, because you talk with person where you be say you know what they talk about. So what's it inspire you? Say this food blogging na one con they do for inside Nigeria.
Actually, most people they say we will not get plenty food bloggers. We actually get plenty food bloggers.
Really?
Just Google for Nigerian food. You go there shocked at the amount of webs and blogs we do.
For this Nigeria?
Yes.
Yeah, I actually know.
We get plenty food bloggers. Now, waiting make me start to write about food. I did very passionate about food. I know they eat that much. I guess you could ask me why you can't swim like this. I like to cook. I like to make people fat.
Really? Yeah. Why you can't look me talk down?
Because you know we want add things.
She can't look me talk.
We want add things. I like to cook. I grew up for a house where my mama get restaurants. My papa na professional chef. We train for London, so we dey always cook for house. So my house na house where if I go school come back, if my brother go school come back, we do competition for what he just learn, we could bake, we could do this, we could do this. So everybody like food. For my house, everybody likes to cook and try out new things. So when I start my blog, that was Judith Audu blog, the first one, I be one write about myself. But then I can't discover, say, get some kind of things where I go don't type, I can't say, no, this one too much to put out for people to read about. So I can't realize, say, I know if you become personality blogger, I know if you do my personal life blog, because I feel, say, I be very private person, so some things I feel, say, no. So, and then I still the profile actors. I can say, wait, too. Because every night I try out new food.
Every night?
Yeah, I can say, wait, too. Make I share my recipes with people now. And then I can start to they share my recipes. Then I can get good response. People like them. People they interested. Because what's not they do now? Why I call them playing with recipes? I they play with like 2, 4, 3, 4, 5 recipes together. I go join them together and make one recipe.
Wow. Then go fast where.
And now you cannot come be food for
yeah, my poor husband, I be my guinea pig. So now they try all the food. So your own food go feel big like this, my own go small like this. and since then it's been nice. I love to cook. I love to cook.
So we'll talk about your acting career. How far with your acting career? And you feel say that's all today for inside Nollywood. I be Hollywood. Which one for Nollywood? For Nigeria, that all.
Which whole?
You know, say we don't get plenty report on how this sexual harassment still there for inside Nollywood.
If you name one industry, we know sexual harassment.
Oh, it's there for everywhere.
Exactly. So you don't get any industry we don't get sexual harassment.
Sure.
So when people they pinpoint, say, mostly sometimes the first question they go ask you when you say you're an actor, or they'll say, oh, your industry, there's usually a lot of sexual harassment in it. And I'm like, really? Name one industry.
Good.
Because me don't try all. I don't do corporate world. I don't do normal world. Even for school, you know, get where you go. If you like, be fine girl. If you like, no fine. Person day we go pursue you.
True.
So it depends on you and your the kind of integrity where you get as a person to answer this thing. You feel they sassy me now, they harass me now. Again, I go take reply you. You say if you go come confused whether they ask me out. You know, you go just turn the thing around, just make am place. So everything depends on you as a person. Then others ones they go say person go give you script, say sleep with me, or you get my
don't
role.
get plenty report like that.
So all those ones too, to me, you know, it really makes sense because you know put gun for my head.
Okay.
Not be rape.
Okay.
So you give me script, say I want to sleep with me, I give you the scripts. When done, no close.
You go waka come on.
The way that script take come, another one will come like that.
So.
And the good thing now for industry, we say we don't get plenty people now where they cack well for the job. They be professionals.
Yeah.
They know what thing them they do. They come from everywhere, even from we they get international producers where they come from outside. We won't come do stuff for inside Nollywood. These ones not be the ones where if you like sleep with them. If you're no good.
You know,
nothing for you.
Okay.
So they give roles based on merits.
Okay.
Because now we get the upcomers, the more we get now, and they need a joke. They need a smile at all. They're very good at what they do. Most of them don't go train, come back from Obodo Yubo. They're good where. Okay. So when you put them for your film, you said, "Gonna say yes, people they my film where they act film."
Yeah.
So
Now
in terms of
I want
acting,
to know if you don't get any embarrassing moment for one of these either for your blog or for your acting? Don't they get very embarrassing moments?
For my blog, I think for my blog now, one recently where I write about one film festival, and then I write say the festival and na English. I write say it is arguably one of the biggest, which means say if you interpret and well, it no be.
Yes,
but some people say
nah, one of the biggest.
I think somebody can't reply me to say, you are a blogger. People are reading you from all over the world. Why would you say it is the biggest film festival? Can't name other film festivals. I say,
You go weak.
I confess fear.
But if you respond?
Yes, nah.
Oh,
I can't reply, say, but I not to say Naim be the biggest.
Okay.
I say they arguably because the owner of the festival go agree say you own big.
Yes,
but
yes.
other big festivals they. So when I say arguably, I not say Naim be the biggest. I mean say it just join body with some of the big festivals then way they inside Africa. As if that one not can reach. Now so another person can call me, can say, I just read your post on your blog. You write say this festival. Now I say yeah.
Now wow for this writing, you know.
I can't call my friend maybe where at least I respect him for he done there for broadcasting for over 30 years. So if maybe na me no understand the English where I write, you know. I can't call. I can't to say I just wrote something on my blog, but I wrote again. Now I say who responded and said that the person not read what you. I can't say okay if you say it's okay. Fear me not catch me. I don't really go remove the thing no. So that one I be the one where I would say I don't be the first hit from my blog. Then another one day
There are plenty.
Don't worry, Judith, when we come back from this break, Judith will give us her second most embarrassing moment for inside her industry where she did. So make her not go anywhere. Maybe we got a small break. When we come back, don't forget say we still get talk the talk.
And
Do.
We did come back.
And I welcome back, and we sit there with Judith, our food blogger. Yes, so
not only food blogger, she's an actor and producer and voiceover artist.
But that food blogger pass, I mean like
fast.
Very soon she will become my personal chef.
Yes. All right,
no problem. You just bring money.
Okay, the number 2 embarrassing moments. Where you get.
One of my friends really do makeup. They do special effects. She called me. I did my own. Now this girl called me say, Judith, we get one training. We'll want to. I want to make you write about her for us. Now I write about her. Free thing, not be say anything. No. Now so I can't get mail from Obodo Yubo say, we would sue you with how many million if you don't take down this post that you are not authorized to write about it. Then for my mind I say, see people who do favor. Now I can't call my friend say, see Wahala, can't forward her the mail. She can't forward the mail back today. But immediately, my sister, they said they go sue me with million.
You think I'm down.
I think I'm down
immediately.
She can't call me, can't call the person we get the program directly. Then can't call me, can't apologize, say, oh, we are very sorry for that. Please, can you put it on? I say, put waiting up.
No, never again.
I say, no.
If you go even put on your contact and say, this time I want me to pay me on top of the one where I want to
I say, don't worry, say, I don't take him down, say, but apologies accepted, but now there is.
So lastly, what our people need to expect from Judith? Now we know say you don't enter inside radio.
Plenty things there, things there. Because this my radio should not be just any other radio station. I talk. Now online, so I interview people from all over. Like my first guest was a Nigerian, National A. It was awesome. So my second one is Sierra Leonean. My third one is Kenyan. Those ones already day down. I get person from UK where they come. So now from all over the world. You know, so now something where people go they look out for every week. Then from me, what I go they expect from me, plenty things they inside this girl cupboard where she lock where they come out. You know, I get plenty things where they work on. They work on one very correct bonge TV series. We get correct people we cack inside. We go soon show for your TV. I also get, of course, I know that I go they expect that one, my food show.
Yes,
that one they come. So plenty things they. We're not going to expect.
Juju.
Oh, my sister.
Okay.
Okay, Judith, you don't talk and you don't talk since morning, and now we don't reach time for talk the talk
and do.
Yes, so for our show, every time when we get better person, no need to fear. Every time when we get better person, we enter our studio, all our guests, it gets the game, the task where they give them say, okay, oh, you don't talk. Now we don't reach time for you to prove yourself. For that level where they talk. The thing where I won't give you, I don't already tell Uvbi before, but I can't think come as they talk since I said this is getting a person where say she know book well. So if I give them this one, it go be like bread and butter. She go just chop them like that, swallow them, digest them. I know they try. No. So right now, based on the professional way you be, so you don't tell us say you be producer, you be food blogger, and you be actress. I want in the next 10 seconds make you cry for us.
Okay, Betyana.
Now it's not one watch with this one.
Okay, let's watch her.
Oh yeah, please.
Ladies and gentlemen.
10.
Now give her how many seconds?
9.
No need for us to count for. We'll count
count.
her. If it affect her
crying.
It don't go affect anything.
If it affect her.
Okay.
As an actress, nothing supposed to distract you now.
Okay, you may enter on top Twitter at Talk Wazobia. Tell us what you think about the cry. If she goes soon cry now, because she's on a crying pee. She's almost getting there.
Time they go. Time down they go.
She's really crying. Oh my God, she really cried. She cried.
Tissue. Yeah, where my gifts?
Don't worry, we get
this cry while I cry, people they pay for Ramo.
Don't worry, we get very better gifts. Maybe say when once you step out of the studio, they don't arrange
sunshine for you.
I want to see.
But I ask you this question: how you take care of this cry?
What do you think?
Because sometimes even when something they pain me, when I dey vex, I dey hustle the cry to come out. Now you can't cry on.
How many seconds the tears don't they?
Oh boy.
That technique now.
I go to fear you. You teach me this technique. If we come out here, you go teach me.
So that I go take they make money, eh?
No, use and make money. I go just use and the host.
That's kind of way you go with your boyfriend.
You.
Alright, really, I don't know about you, but we actually get Kaja's guests for inside the studio today. And she don't show us, say, is it possible for you to just sit down and cry? Nothing hurt her. Nobody pinch her.
She don't use rub.
She just started to cry. Enter our top Twitter at Talk Wazobia. Go yarn your own for there. When we come back, we go enter Cocoa of the Day, read some of your messages on top Twitter. Then we go ready to do it in bye-bye on Talk today. We come back. All right, she don't tell us the technique for you to take cry. We're going to need to tell you, but the thing is that you need to follow us on Talk Wazobia for Twitter, and we're going to tell you the technique where you go use take cry to get that money. That money from your husband, or that money from that person where you did for money. But now we need to send you the Cocoa of the Day. Amaka, which will be our Cocoa of the Day?
Yes, so we don't enter Cocoa of the Day. Make her tell them the Cocoa.
Oh yeah, fast tell them the Cocoa.
Yes, and I will tell them the Cocoa. The Cocoa for today now say, how then take, if you tell me how then take this, how you go fit, now you, how if it takes seduce man?
Yeah. Our food blogger there, yes, she's an expert, so she will tell us how.
She's not an expert.
Seducing men. Actress, you
be actress now, so if they give you roles, it may seduce man.
That one is small thing.
Yeah, man.
She say it's small thing.
What will be the process?
It's different. The thing where if you work for this man, if you no work for this man, you understand? So sometimes you need to understand the personality of the person where you want to seduce before you seduce. I guess some people, if you like naked, they're not going to
work.
So for those
people, then you get some people where you go cover up, it go make them fall for you. So everything depends. But you get the one where still they generally acceptable by everybody.
Show us that one.
Make her show me.
Yeah, show us.
True, you want to make a show?
I won't let me
no,
know.
We just want to know. Now, what's make us
seduce man? And I know the joke.
I think sometimes it depends. Like I talk, it depends on the man. Some people now your personality could just make them like you immediately.
Yes.
Okay.
Some people now the way your caring attitude, the way you get some people where just to ask them, say, have you eaten today? could just make them just start to like you.
Really?
Now seduction coming down.
But really, just assume, say you there in a gathering and then you just sight one bubble where you just like, well.
You could
But
just maintain eye contact.
Okay, good. Eye contact.
Just
number
maintain
one.
eye contact.
Okay, number one.
You know, just the look and then smile.
Oh.
Two.
Just stay like that. Then, if he maintain that eye contact back with you, and then you smile, give her. If you reply, it means say, okay, something's
There's
happening.
a welcome agreement.
Then you
yeah.
go, come the work, how they go. You know?
Exactly.
Exactly.
I don't
All right, you don't hear you don't hear from the mouth of Judith on top how you go take seduce man. You enter Twitter, tell us how you go take seduce man.
Yes,
but we see
sir.
some of your tweets. We tell you, say make you tell us who you wish happy birthday to. Make we just sharp read them. At Zebedee and Tambi, you talk say, please talk family, make una help me say happy birthday to my brother Reverend Father Jeremiah Ilimi of Abuja Diocese. You put hashtag talk. All right, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
This one I want you to help me say a shout out to a friend named Tolu Alabi who is having his birthday today. All right, happy birthday to you,
Happy
Tolu
birthday,
Alabi. And my shout out goes to Atanda Adetutu Abosede. Happy birthday in advance. Love you so much. Thanks a bunch to all those where don't they send us tweets. We don't see plenty. But time don't go for read all your messages. But tomorrow we go still there on top your Kajad TV station.
Yes,
Wazobia TV channel 195 for Star Times. On top Talk the program. We're not feel dull you at all. The program
at all.
where with the talk I must be, I will not hold anything back. Till tomorrow we're gonna meet you, and I know say our own very own Queen B. I really miss her today.
I miss her more.
Yeah.
She don't sweep the bridge finish back.
Yeah, she's
bridge
got
down.
that.
No, she don't finish on.
All right, Queen B, come back. Till tomorrow, where we'll go meet you in peace and not in pieces. Not forgetting my name now, Uvbi.
My name's still not Betyana.
My name remain Amaka.
And our guest.
Judith, I will do.
Yes.
We always end our with to talk, not be bad thing, but
Make you know what to talk about.
Wakian Zekwe.
Ciao.